guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we are unleashing the all new POCO X6. This is not your average mid-ranger. This is the phone that packs a punch. Let's dive into it. Time to show you what we have inside the box. Although I have already made a video on the unboxing which you can check out, but I am doing this really quick. The box with POCO's black and yellow color combination. In there we have a yellow box. We get a SIM ejector tool, some knowledge, and the back cover with a new matte black finishing. This time it would not become yellow, and we also have the 67 watts charger along with the charging cable. That's all for the box. Let's talk about the design. This is a head tuner, glossy back finishing and a slim design. It feels premium in hand. It has a polycarbonate back which looks like glass but it isn't. Although I am not a big fan of this glass finishing because it picks up fingerprint every time. That's why I always prefer to use cover to protect the looks of the phone. Check out the side buttons. We got a power button, but this time it's not the fingerprint sensor. Why? We got a in-display optical fingerprint sensor. Yes, POCO finally added it. It's really responsive as well as quick. Coming to the display, it has a massive 6.67-inch Flow AMOLED display with 1.5K crystal rays. Forget the pixelated mess. This phone can show you every surgical details. It's like staring into a portal of color and pure clarity. With the 68 billion colors, you will never find a dull moment in the screen. Plus, the phone comes with Gorilla Glass Victus protection, which is unbelievable in this price. And it's not only about showing pretty pictures. This display is also gamers' love. With 120Hz refresh rate, say goodbye to choppy frames and hello to silky smooth action. Trust me, you wouldn't miss a single pixelated enemy in the battle. Plus, your fingers react instantly with the 2160 Hz touch sampling rate, making every tap and swipe a lightning fast response. Not only that, there is something more. You got a peak brightness of 1800 nits. You can see every detail on the screen under the sun at the summer, and Dolby Vision takes your movie nights into a whole another level. Talking about the sound, dual speaker with Dolby Atmos. Get ready for immersed movie nights and pump up tunes. This thing packs a punch in the audio department. Alright, now let's talk about the thing you all are waiting for, the performance. Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 under the hood. It's one of the powerful SoCs in this price segment, and it's based on 4nm technology. From the last POCO X5, which had Snapdragon 695, this is a very great upgrade. I have played Genshin Impact and some other games. I can say you, this phone really runs the games like butter with very less lags. And for creators like me, exporting videos on the go is super fast. Combining the 120Hz display and Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, browsing through social media, swiping through emails, everything feels like a dream. But wait, there is something more. The camera. It has got a 64 megapixel main sensor with OIS, stunning landscape, vibrant portraits, even close-up wonders. This camera captures it all in stunning details. And even in low light it's pretty good. And the OIS does the magic, keeping your shots sharp and clear. You basically can't go wrong with this camera, even if you are a potato at photography like me. Alright, let's talk about the software. This POCO X6 comes loaded with MIUI 14 on top of Android 13. And it's smooth as butter experience. Although they cleaned things up this time around, but just a few pre-installed apps that you can uninstall. Plus the customization options are endless. Theme it up, tweak the animations and make it truly your own. And remember those gaming chops I mentioned? MIUI 14's Game Turbo mode takes it up a notch. Boost performance, block notification and even record your gameplay. It's like having a built-in personal hype man for your mobile gaming sessions. But hold on, the goodness doesn't stop there. POCO is committed to keeping the phone fresh with 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patches. So you can rest assured you are getting the latest features and protection for the years to come. That peace of mind you wouldn't get with every other mobile. Time for the juice, the battery. This thing is a marathon runner, lasting all day and well into the night. I used it non-stop for games, social media, videos and everything, and it barely broke a sweat. Seriously, you can ditch the battery anxiety with this beast. And let's not forget the little things that makes a big difference. 67 watt turbocharging for quick juice up. So, time for the verdict. POCO X6 got the performance for gamers, the camera for creators, the display for everyone, and a battery life that just wouldn't quit. And let's remember the price tag. You are getting flagship level features without breaking the bank. This phone is a game changer for the mid-range and I am officially obsessed. But just don't take my words for it. Grab the POCO X6 and unleash your inner species with your choice. Let me know what do you think in the comments below and smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. Peace out.